Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna explain you about some quizzes at the Linea week, and we are accepted a huge airdrop from Linea project, and that's why at this weeks I think, and most of people think, and we are at the same page about the layer 3 at the Linea quizzes. That's the finish to journey to Linea project's huge airdrop, and if you are completed whole tasks at this this epoch, if I'm not mistaken, 1 month ago we had already completed another questions. Doesn't matter, I don't want to take it so long, and yeah, let's get started. As you can see from my screen right now, we have some quests, and layer 3 linear quests is containing absolutely and wholly GameFi on the Linea blockchain network. And as you can see from my screen, there's a RPG, MMO, action strategy, social world, experiences the East, and mini gala game, and NFT land, and that's it. Right now, so just 7 tasks, 7 parts, and right now first and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and that's end. And tasks is containing just 3 tasks, and that's it. And then we can get some opportunities to claim our huge airdrop. I hope it will be better than second than another airdrops. Let's get started. Yeah, probably you had already completed that, but maybe you can't do this. That's why we can explain you too in this video. Actually, there's also basic questions. Just click that. Oh, sorry. Wait for opening new page, and you can see from my screen difficulty is beginner, and click this. Getting started. Continue. 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 Time for quiz. OpenX follow Linea on X, and our tasks are the same, and you can complete it like this. The steps so easy, and our quizzes is really starting from the RPG and MMO games. Just click our first game to complete and to play is Space Falcon ecosystem and aviatrix game, and difficulty is beginner. Just click this, continue, and open quests, and after the opening and completed question, click continue, replace the main task, and just you need to click some basic Space Falcon steps, and you will see button to open quiz again like before at the Metamask quiz, and click continue after completing, and you can still see button in there and click and completed it. It's so easy, and as you can see in there, difficulty is beginner, don't worry, that's why. Space Falcon is there, and Gamer Room, Genesis testing with Linea. Just look at it. Welcome, part quest required. Click it, open quest, complete this quest. Quest is so basic. Just click all of above and some huge variations, and continue. You don't need to watch this video, and click into open Gamer Boom. Yeah, you need to click the main button, and look at this. Right now we're at the literal bullish season. That's why that's a normal, and I think it's the low levels of the Ethereum gas fee prices, and you can click the mint. If I'm not mistaken, I paid $2 or $3 as a mint fee, and then click again that, click continue, and you will see this button. Click it, complete, that's it, and join Discord, and then verify. Yeah, I already did it, and yeah, another games as well. Click it, and some quests you will see, and completed this quest. And then meta apes is a little bit difficult because you need just one mobile phone, and if you have no any mobile phone, you can download BlueStacks to your own device desktop, and then you can download and use Play Store in there. But I don't want to recommend that because if you have a mobile phone, Android phone, iOS, doesn't matter, just download Meta Apes game and then download your MetaMask in there. Which one you will see, click the button in there. For example, I need to download MetaMask wallet into this wallet because my MetaMask address should be same to complete that. That's it. And what should you do? Just click the CD starter, open guide, and guide will explain a lot of information and you will see after the clicking open guide what should you do, and then the activated bonus task. And I want to recommend that if you can't do this something, for example optional, you don't have to do that. You need to just first 3 tasks to do, and as you can see from my screen, that's optional. For example, another task, I'm featured like this. As you can see from my screen, I couldn't complete, but I don't need, because less questions are optional and I just love to game this to play, and then that's why I just click the activated bonus task, and maybe I think I get some bonus tasks and some lakes piece, but you need to just complete first because they are crucial, they're important, but optional, no, you don't have to do it. I said again. And yeah, our third week action strategy is containing, yeah, platform supported web based. That's good because I don't know, I just don't love it to do some mobile based, Android based games. And yeah, difficulty is beginner. That's so good. And it's an almost 400,000 participants. I already did it. And click intro Abyss World. Click continue, continue, continue. And download Abyss World. Click open Abyss World and download the Abyss World to your desktop, to your device, and mint a will Linea NFT. Click open Alien swap. You need to connect wallet, and then you will pay 0.0001 Ether, and it's, if I'm not mistaken, $1 or $2 and plus fee. Yeah, you need just $5 or $6, and I think, yeah, it's plausible, it's reasonable. And then click verify, but right now I couldn't mint it, and after the 1 or 2 minutes you can click verify. At the same time, you can face some issues, some technical problems, because you know we are at the blockchain technology world. And click snap planner. Yeah, difficulty is beginner. I think you don't need explain a lot of things, and you don't need a lot of information. Just introduction to pictograph. If you want to see, you can read, but I don't need. And as well, I don't need to watch this video. And click open pictographs. Yeah, the fundamental logic is connect wallet and pick some picture to save in your memory, and yeah, mint that. Yeah, that's it. And I say it again, they are optional, you don't need. And sure, if you want to get a lot of lake space, you can do it, because you can get some bonus NFTs, bonus XP, and lake space. And then Ender's Gate, and then Satoshi Universe, and what is it? Yuldo Travel Pack. Just click it and see what is the difficulty level. Probably they are beginner or medium, because we are at the beginning of this Linea week, and probably we can see some hard level difficulty in their experiences the east or last weeks, for example NFT land, why not? And yeah, that's it. By the way, you can click the referral zone, you can click copy link if you have a lot of environment and a lot of friends to do and to encourage do Linea last week questions. You can copy link and share your reference link, and you can get a lot of additional lake space to sharing your referrals. But don't forget that they are absolutely click and do at least 1 or 3 quests in there, and click VIP zone. If you have some testnet wedge, if I'm not mistaken, yes, they are named of testnet wedge, Linea NFTs, alpha, beta, gamma, and etc. They are just 5 NFT types. And right now my wallet is tier 1 VIP rank, and right now I'm holding as an almost 1,395 lake spare, and that's why my VIP rank is tier 1. That's why I can get some additional lake space. Yeah, that's it about that. And if you want to get a lot of weeks informations and some explanations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, join our Telegram, because we will discuss another weeks, and we will get some informations from Linea and another project for you. That's why you absolutely should follow our Twitter. See you later.